Hey guys, Tony here. So LossLess did have a huge run up to the upside, and I don't think it's actually finished running. On average, when you actually have these nice little jumps to the upside, you last from what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You go about, what's 9 times 4? 36? On average, you have about a day and a half of run up. So I think that and it also broke trend back here, right? We officially broke trend back on October 17th, and then today in the morning you actually had this huge jump to the upside, and I think it'll keep following this channel upwards to hit 145. And keep in mind, the market cap is still at $20 million. And again, I don't like shilling stuff. This isn't to really shill anything. This is just me updating you guys on my position. I did sell a little bit more Matic to buy into more LossLess. I did buy at around 90 cents, so I bought at 49. I bought at 49 cents, and then I bought at like 70-ish, and then again at 90 cents. And I think it has plenty of room to run. At a 20 million market cap, I think what they do is definitely more of something that should be valued at least like $1 billion. And I think that, from where it is now, $1 billion would take it, like a 50x from here. So I think LossLess at minimum should probably be worth somewhere around like $40. And keep in mind, LossLess is only available to trade on KuCoin. It's not even on Binance yet. It's not even on Coinbase. It's not on any other platform. So my running theory is that it can definitely hit $40 just being on KuCoin. And I can't imagine it being on Binance and also on Coinbase if it ever gets listed. But again, I do see LSS being added into probably Binance soon, more than likely into like Coinbase Pro, but that's like way in the future if we actually see maybe like a $100 million valuation, $500 million probably, right? I think it'll definitely see those numbers once Coinbase and Binance adds it. But again, short term, it is looking extremely good, especially if we close on the 4-hour. The daily is also just creating brand new bullish candles on the reverse MACD, and the Stoke is still staggering up here like a lot. So I still think that we're going to keep running to the upside. You might see like another drop back down here, possibly to like $1 again. If we drop back down to like $1-ish again, more than likely I will probably be buying more. I think right now I want to see what the 30-minute does, because we're about to close a bear trigger on the 30-minute. So if we do drop, you see that drop right there? Look at that, it just got created. So, and it is responding to it, right? That's exactly what we want to see. So if it does hit that bear trigger in about 13 minutes or so, and it does come back down to possibly $1, I more than likely will be buying more LSS. And I think that it can definitely run or do something like this, right? I definitely think it'll more than likely short term possibly do something like this, and then maybe go back up to the upside, because right now it's definitely bullish. I'm definitely biased on LSS being bullish, just because the higher time frames are definitely on the bull side. You have the 4-hour running bullish, and you have the day still running pretty bullish, and I think the weekly is still, the weekly is still 1, 2, 3. It's barely a month bullish, and I think it could definitely keep rallying hard to the upside. Keep in mind, it hasn't even broken relative highs from 145 yet. Those are all-time highs, and I think once that 145, I think once 145 gets broken, I think $2 is easily achievable. So we'll see what happens, but again, if something like this happens with LossLess, if we just rally to the upside, great. But if it does come back down to like around $1 or so, more than likely I will be buying a little bit more. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.